Hey, where are you from? Just speak Spanish.
Oh,
Serious John, ya le dijeron, hola, I don't understand. I'm so sorry.
English. Hello, where are you from? Where are you from at
Hola,
present?
Raikan. ¿Qué más?
Yes.
Raikan. Hola, Raikan.
Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia.
Colombia. Just I am from Bangladesh. Do you know our country Bangladesh?
Yes.
Close to India. Next to India. Okay. Do you know? Oh, clear.
No entiendo.
Okay, already I have followed you.
Ryan, how are you? Fine, thanks, and you.
Can you speak English fluent or little bit? English speaking style? Little.
Little.
Oh, okay.
Little.
Just, are you interested to learn English? Colombia, your country. I
want to learn English.
Yeah. I am helping you. Please listen.
Okay.
Colombia. Your country. Your country, Colombia, okay? Colombia.
Yes.
Okay.
Colombia.
3 parts. We can divide your country 3 parts. And our country Bangladesh. Bangladesh. This.
3 parts.
3 parts. We are to same. We are to same. But I am giving you an interesting example. What is this? Do you know?
This is...
What is this?
I don't know.
Radish vegetable. Radish. Okay. Radish. You are watching 4 radish in hand. 4. Okay. Just I am teaching you syllable, the basic grammar. It is very important for learning English. Syllable. Just your country. Syllable. Just your country. Column. Bia. 3 parts.
3 parts.
Colombia. Okay?
Yes.
Actually,
Yes.
you are enjoying an interesting class from me. This is called radish. Radish. And our country Bangladesh, we are to same. Just 1 radish. 1 radish we cannot break. We cannot break 1 radish. 2 radishes. 2 radishes. Disyllable. 2 radishes disyllable. 3 radishes trisyllable. And 4 radishes polysyllable.
This is
Radish. Yeah, of course. Just have you any questions about me? About syllable?
no.
Oh, okay, just PK invitation. PK. Invitation. How can I divide this word? Invitation. 4 parts.
Invite. What is this?
PK invitation. Just we can divide this word into 4 parts. Please, I am showing you. Invitation. Just please look. Invitation. Okay. Just invitation. We can break. Yeah, we can break the word into 4 parts. 4 radishes. 4 parts. Invitation. And your country. Yeah. Just do you know what is the full meaning of PK? PK. Do you know full meaning? PK? Okay, PK.
No entiendo. I don't understand. I'm so sorry.
Please, PK.
Pick up.
PK.
PK.
PK means personal knockout.
PK is boyfriend Shakira.
Yeah. PK means personal knockout. Just I am talking to you personally. This is called PK. Sure?
Yes.
Once again.
One second.
Accept.
I know. Yo me voy.
Basically,
See you later.
no.
Later.
I am a private teacher, English teacher, college lecturer.
Teacher English.
Yeah, just I teach everyone with foreigners. I speak এবং I teach English. I share my opinions with someone every single day. Okay, English, the word English. How can I divide English two parts? English two parts. Sure? Two parts. English. Yeah. And please tell me another new word.
LA. Where are you from?
What is this? I am from Bangladesh.
Verdad. Es de Bangladesh, John.
Yeah. Actually, I have 20 years experience for teaching. 20 years experience for teaching English. Every single day, I teach English foreigners, and I share my opinions with foreigners. Sure?
¿Tú entiendes español?
Just I am 30 years old. And you?
Do you speak Spanish?
Oh, no. I don't know Spanish. I know 4 languages: Bengali, English, Urdu, and Arabic.
Which?
4 languages I know. I can speak. Yeah, of course. Do you know another language?
One, Spanish.
Spanish. Oh, I am very interested to you. I am very interested to learn from you.
I speak Spanish.
Yeah.
Oh, just speak Spanish.
Oh, I am 30 years old. This sentence, how do you say in Spanish language? How do you say your Spanish language? Please tell me. Yeah. I am 30 years old. Please tell me.
What do you say?
What is your name? Your name?
My name is Bunny.
My name is Bunny. Oh. Just my name is.
Yes, sir.
My name is Zakariaspokenenglishworld.
Your name is Zakariaspokenenglishworld.
This sentence. Yes, please. This sentence, how do you say in Spanish language? How do you say in Spanish language? Please tell me.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Oh.
Mi nombre es Bunny.
Please, slowly. Yes, slowly tell me. Oh, what?
Hola.
Oh, please tell me. I am interested to learn Spanish language.
Diga hola. Say hola.
Say it. Oh, hola. Say it hola. Oh. Okay.
You say hola.
Okay. Just another sentence. How are you? This sentence, how do you say in Spanish language? How are you? How do you say?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Como estas? Just Bengali language, our mother tongue. তুমি
Hey, teacher, say Kali Baje.
Oh, okay. Just a Bengali meaning. তুমি কেমন আছো?
Say Kali.
Yeah. তুমি কেমন আছো?
Say Kali Baje.
Okay.
What?
Bengali meaning how are you means Bengali language, our mother tongue. তুমি কেমন আছো? তুমি কেমন আছো? Bengali meaning.
Is very strange. Strange. It's
Actually,
very strange.
fantastic. Excellent.
Fantastic.
Just what is your name? This sentence, how do you say? In Spanish language, what is your name? How do you say?
¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Colos. Solo. Colos.
¿Cuál
Yeah.
tu nombre?
Colos.
¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Colos tu nombre. Oh, okay.
Así.
Just Bengali meaning.
Yes.
Bengali meaning. তোমার নাম কি? তোমার নাম কি? Bengali meaning.
Tomar nangi.
No. তোমার নাম কি? তোমার
Tomar nangi.
কি? Yes. Right.
Yes.
What time is it now? In your country? What time at present?
Is 9:25.
9:20. Just here in our country,
Yeah.
Bangladesh, 8:25. Early in the morning. Early in the morning.
The morning.
Yeah.
At 9.
At night.
Me at 9.
Oh.
Night.
Okay. Thank you.
Teacher, say hola.
Say it. What? What is the meaning? Say it, Ola.
Y hola. Ay, no. Yo no sé hablar inglés.
Okay, please wait. Are you a student? Do you study? Student. Are you a student?
Diccionario.
College or university?
La mía.
Lami. You.
My university.
University student.
My university
What is the name of university?
is
University name?
Sensa.
Sensa University.
Sensa.
Sensa University from Colombia. University. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Which subject do you study? In which subject?
Zakaria.
Zakaria. Yeah. In which subject do you study?
Can you hello John?
Oh. Hello. Please tell clearly.
Can you say hello John?
Don't know.
Ay, no sé. A ver, yo te escribo.
Right. Oh. Zaza. Men. Manda. Manda means, what do you mean by manda?
Pero no. Tradúcelo.
Hello. Manda means hello. Oh.
Hello
Seladua.
for John.
Oh, Faradia Zorzon. What do you mean in English language? What do you mean? English?
What?
Manda un saladu e zon. What do you mean in English? English.
Ay, a ver, yo veo cómo le puedo traducir eso porque es que no sé. Mando un saludo a John. You say hello. Can you say hello
Oh, okay.
a John?
Okay, I have understood. Hi, hello. This is cold.
Sí, John, ya le dijeron. Hola. Ya.
Oh, okay, just do you have any idea fully? Do you have any idea fully about globe? Have you any idea fully about globe? Fully idea? Your country.
No entiendo.
Your country, Colombia. Please look, Colombia.
Yes. Blue.
Are you from
The
Bogota?
color blue.
Bogota, capital city Bogota. Are you from? Where?
Medellin.
Oh.
My city is Medellin.
Okay. Oh, okay. Just Amazon rainforest. Please tell me about Amazon rainforest. Tell me.
Amazon rainforest.
Yeah. I'm very interested to learn, to know from you. Tell me.
Teacher. Repeat after me.
Actually, have you ever visited?
Repeat
No.
after
Please. Have you ever
Repeat
visited
after me.
Amazon rainforest? Amazon rainforest. Have you ever visited?
No entiendo.
Oh, you.
No entiendo.
Oh, okay. Just it is exceptional rainforest all over the world. Really? Exceptional rainforest. Amazon rainforest. Right.
Amazon rainforest.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Already I have forgot you. In which subject do you study? Which subject?
Sí.
English.
I study.
Which subject?
No.
In which subject do you study?
Ay, me voy a salir. Ya me voy. Chao. Me tengo que ir. Chao. See you later. Take care.
Okay. Bye bye.